Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on that beautiful lacy pattern. This is suitable for summer top or maybe a scarf. This is really nice to knit and easy. This is the back side and this is the front side. Let's get started. For this pattern you need multiple of 4 plus 3, and the first row for setup is to pull all stitches. Here I have multiple of 4 is 12 plus 3. I have 15, but it's up to you if you want to make it bigger. It has to be multiple of 4 plus 3. Row 2 also we are going to pull again all stitches, and we keep continue like that. Repeat 2 more rows like this. I repeat 2 more rows and I'll be back. I did 4 rows like pull all of the stitches in both sides. Now I'm in row 5 by starting to knit all the stitches. And we are going to repeat 5 more rows like that. Just we knit 1 row, we pull another row until you have 6 rows. I'll be back. So I already knitted 6 rows. Now we are going to start row 12 by pull all stitches. And also next row we are going to pull again all the stitches. In this row also we knit all stitches. Row 13 knit. The pattern should look like that. Now again in row 14 we are going to knit all the stitches, and we repeat 6 more times by knitting. Let me just show you what we have to do. Is we are going to have 6 rows of knitting, 2 more of purl, again 6 more of knitting, and repeat that pattern. After let me show you another sample. I make it already for you here. In this pattern, if you can see, I made it 4 rows of beginning for setup, then I made 6 row knitting, 2 more 4 to 6 no knitting, 1 more, or it's up to you. It can be 2 or 1 row, and then knitting again. Now we are going to start to make a pattern. When you receive the length you want, the last row it's to be like that by starting to knit the first 3, yarn over, and then the next one let it go. Again I'm going to knit 3, yarn over, and the next one I let it go, and I repeat the pattern like that. One, 2, 3, yarn over and let it go. Then just I knit the last 3. Now we have to do the one we take it out. We have to just open it until the we do it for all. Until to the end of the work. We have 2 more here. One more. As you can see, you have a beautiful, nice pattern here. Maybe I have to cut this one because for my yarn. Then I'm going to show you how you can end the project by cast off. Again, I have a sack here. I have to take my this is the pattern looks like. I think these are really nice. So I'm going to show you how we can finish the work. This is the way to we are going to pull until we receive the one we already added. We are also going to pull that one, and then we keep continue like that. The one we already added, doing it knitted. And this is your pattern again, like that. If you want to cast off, now it's easy to make it knit together. Again, knit together and finish your top like that. That's it. If you see the bigger pattern like I showed you in the beginning, this is really nice pattern. It can be used also for a scarf. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a good day.